So, I think now the very important part is what is the role of an individual in prevention of pollution. See, we are all citizens of this country. Okay, I am teaching you. Tomorrow you will go. You will become responsible citizens, engineers, working in various organizations. Okay, so we are all having what role we can play. So it is everybody's responsibility to contribute towards a better quality of our environment and human life. Okay. So first thing is we should develop respect for all forms of life. As I am repeatedly saying, planet Earth is not only for humans. So we have got all sorts of biodiversity, right from mammals, animals, cattle, reptiles, aquatic life, marine life, okay, plants, trees, everything, insects, fungi, everybody has a role to play in this. Secondly, we know that plants and trees are the main producers, primary producers of this ecosystem, and they produce oxygen also, which we are breathing freely. So we need to plant trees wherever we can, and more importantly, take care of them. They reduce air pollution. For every one person to survive on this planet, he requires at least 7 trees, oxygen from 7 trees. India has around 28 trees per person, whereas the good countries like Canada and all, they have got around 10,000 trees per person. Not only that, 66% of Canada is having a forestry like green cover, whereas India hardly 20 to 25% of the total land is under green cover. So we need to increase the green cover by planting more trees. Reduce the use of wood and paper products wherever possible. So nowadays, as you know, CPWD, Central Public Works Department, they have stopped use of wood in all the government constructions. Because when you are using wood means again the trees are being cut. So we should avoid wood, and now particle board is being used for all this new generation furniture. And also paper products, because for paper making paper also trees are being cut. Do not buy furniture, doors, window frames made from tropical hardwoods such as teak and mahogany. These are forest based. So normally we have all this furniture at home, na? Sofa set, dining tables, and all made of teak wood, uh, rosewood, mahogany, and all. So we should not use now. As I was telling, you should use uh, particle based, particle board, that is a engineered wood, not a original wood. Okay. Reduce the use of fossil fuel by either walking up for short distance, using a carpool, sharing a bike, or using public transport. This reduces air pollution. So, when you are see every month we have got some budget for our petrol charges, diesel charges in the car and all. So you should use it properly. Unnecessarily roaming around, loitering around with your bike or car doesn't make sense. So need based use should be there. You are all educated people, technical people. So you should understand that every liter of uh, petrol burnt releases almost 3 kgs of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Every unit of electricity burnt which you consume, it releases 1 kg of atmosphere, carbon dioxide into atmosphere. So we are responsible for this pollution, but we are not able to see it. Shut off the lights and fans when not needed. So a very simple common sense. If you are not using lights and fans, please shut off and go. In classrooms also, when you leave the class, please put off and go. Even follow it at home also. Don't use aerosol spray products and commercial room air conditioner, air fresheners. See, nowadays, actually, I think now you have got ozone friendly products of late. They have come. But these old sprays, na, all these sprays and all, they are very dangerous. Air fresheners and all this. They damage the ozone layer. So be careful. But of late, I have seen now ozone friendly, eco friendly products have come. Instead of using use and throw batteries, use rechargeable batteries so that you can use them for a longer period. Otherwise, this all use and throw batteries, they also cause a lot of pollution. Try to avoid asking for plastic carry bags. So better carry your own cloth bag, have some good cloth bag or nylon bag and keep carrying. And don't encourage carrying this once use plastic carry bags. Avoid paper napkins and go for sponges and washable cloth napkins, dish towels and handkerchiefs instead of paper napkins. So don't use throwaway paper and plastic cups and cups when reusable versions are available. So once use material like plastic plates, plastic cups, this should not be used. Use steel cups, steel plates. You can use them a number of times. Wash and use. Recycle all newspapers, glass, aluminum, other items accepted for recycling in your area. See, you have seen in all villages and all the places, these Raddi fellows will come. So sell the newspaper to them. They will recycle it. Even metals also, some steel, aluminum, those people come and collect the material so that it goes for recycling only, not as a landfill. And we can also have a compost bin in our garden or terrace and use it to produce manure for our plants to reduce the use of fertilizers. So in every house you can whatever food is wasted every day and the vegetables and fruits that left over or peels that can be used as a to make compost in your house. That is possible. And do not litter the roads and surroundings. Please understand that environment protection begins with you. So you are a very responsible person. That is why this topic has been included, because it should not be a storytelling business. People should understand this. As I was telling, to maintain this ecosystem, to maintain this environment and all habitable for man, we have to take care of the environment. Thank you.